Hello everyone, I am Muthulakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Ottanchitram. Today we discuss about the topic is graph theory. First one, basic of graph theory. First one, what is a graph? Second one, kind of graph. Third one, vertex degree. Fourth one, path and cyclics. About the topic we discussed in this section. Next one, a model. A vertex, an island. An edge, a path or bridge between two islands. Vertex means we consider island to island connected from a path is called a edge. Next one, general model. A vertex, an object, an edge, a relation between two objects. Committee 1, committee 2 is called a vertex. Committee member is called a edge. Next one, what is a graph? A graph G is an ordered pair B, E consisting of a vertex set V equal to W, X, Y, Z, an edge set E equal to E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. We consider a graph XY is at W is called a vertex. E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7 is called a edge set of a graph. Next one, definitions of graph. A graph G is an ordered triple V, E, F vertex edge function consisting of V is a set of nodes, points or vertices. E is a set whose elements are known as edge or line. F is a function that maps each element of E to an unordered pair of vertices in V. V is also called nodes, point or vertices. Edge is called also edge or line, a function that maps each element of E to an unordered pair of vertices in V. Next one, what is a loop? Multiple edge. Loop, an edge whose endpoints are equal. Loop means a graph contains starting point and ending point have the same vertices is called a loop. Multiple edge have the same pair of endpoints. See the figure. Next one, simple graph. What is the meaning of simple graph? Simple graph, a graph has no loops or multiple edges. First graph is called a not simple graph. Second graph is called a simple graph. Simple graph means take all vertices have edges is called a simple graph. Next one, adjacent neighbors. Two vertices are adjacent and are neighbors if they are the endpoints of an edge. Example, A and B are adjacent. A and D are not adjacent. Adjacent means is nothing but take any two vertices contains a graph. Take any two vertices connected vertices. That means two vertices have the edge is called a adjacency. We can say next, two vertices not connected with edge is called a adjacent. For example, A and D not adjacent, B and C is adjacent, is called a adjacent and neighbor graph. Next one, finite graph, null graph. Finite graph, and graph whose vertex set and edge set are finite. Finite graph means finite number of vertices and edges have a graph. We can see finite graph. Next, null graph. The graph whose vertices set and edges are empty. Vertex set and edge set are empty is called a null graph. Next one, connected and disconnected. A connected graph. First one, connected graph. There exists at least one path between two vertices. Take any graph. Two vertices have at least one path is called a connected graph. Disconnected means two vertices not connected with the edge is called a disconnected. For example, see the H1, H2, H3 figure. H1 and H2 graph is called a connected graph. H3 is not connected graph. That means disconnected graph. Next one, complete graph. Complete graph, a simple graph in which every pair of vertices are adjacent. If number of vertices is equal to n, then there are n of n minus 1 edges. Complete graph is nothing but take a graph, take a 4 number of vertices. The 4 number of vertices is connected with the edge is called a complete graph. Thank you.